Introducing the 2010 Dodge Avenger. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. It includes leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, speed-sensitive wipers, heated seats, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.